Okay. Hi you guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be a day in my life kind of a video because I just woke up and felt like I wanted to film a day in my life because today is going to be a very boring day. Yes, you heard it right. Creators often film video when there is an exciting day in their life, but today's video is going to be a very regular sort of a day in which I stay home. I go nowhere, not even shopping, not even grocery shopping, and I just stay home and do my work or do my padhai because I'm a student. So yeah, today's video is going to be about that. But before that, let me just tell you that right now it's 1:30 and this is not the time I wake up or take a bath. Like, I have woken up like 9:30ish and I took my lemon water. All the pictures will be inserted over here as I'm speaking, so yeah, don't worry about that. So I had my lemon water, then I had my breakfast, which is typically tea and biscuits. I typically eat that because paratha varatha bhi mere se hota nahi hai, brown breads वगैरह भी I don't like. So yeah, I had my lemon water, then I had my tea and biscuit, basically my breakfast. And then I also did a little treadmill because I do that every day. I used to do it, then I just left it because I got COVID and all of that stuff happened, so I just left it. But I did treadmill today after a long time, so I did vlog a little bit of it, which also I'll insert it while I'm talking. And then I took a bath. In between that I did nothing, I just chilled around, and then I took a bath. And now I will be going to be using a perfume on myself because that is one thing I really like. And for the perfume I'm using this Axe Signature in the flavor, in the smell, and the variant dark vanilla and oud wood. So this is what the perfume looks like, and I'm going to spritz it all over myself. So yeah, that is that. I really like this perfume. It's like smells heavenly. So yeah, I'll keep it back in place because my mom will beat the crap out of me if I don't. So yeah, that is that. Also guys, I needed to talk to you guys about something. So in my Nykaa hot pink sale, I told you that I'll be giving you guys a review of the MCaffeine products in our upcoming vlog. So today is that vlog in which I'll give you guys the review. And if you haven't checked my hot pink sale video, then I'll be linking it down in the description, so make sure you go ahead and check that. I'll link it down in the description, so please check that, because we creators create videos with a lot of hard work. Everyone does, not just me. Everyone has planning going behind it, and there is a lot of things that goes in the backstage. Like behind the video, you see there is a lot of work to be done. There is editing, there is planning, there is a lot of things. So please go ahead and subscribe and like and share all of our videos, and especially me. If you really like my videos, if you like my video, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and comment down below what videos would you want to see next. So yeah, that is that. But I just wanted to give you guys a review about both of the MCaffeine product. But the first review I'm going to be giving you guys about this product, which is the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Face Scrub. I'm really sorry. It's the Cappuccino Coffee Face Scrub, and I've used this once, so I cannot give you like a proper review about it. But guys, I am a person who likes really tough scrubs, who like really deep exfoliating scrubs. So this is a gentle one. I chose the gentle variant, so that was totally my fault. But it is really gentle on the skin, and it doesn't even feel like a scrub because the particles are really gentle. And when you scrub it, it like, even if you give water on it, it is not very foamy. So that is that about it, which I didn't like, because I like my scrubs to be a little foamy. Otherwise it is not a scrub, I feel like. But it is not at all foamy, and it's very gentle on the skin. So if you're a person who really likes gentle scrubs and scrubs which are not foamy, you should go for this. And it was for 199 rupees. I got it in sales, it was for 199. And it also claims that it reduces acne, reduces spots and pigmentation, mildly exfoliates. Okay, it says mildly exfoliates. So yeah, that is totally my fault for me choosing this. But it also claims to reduce acne spots, and I have some spots and like spots over here from acne. So I'll use it 2 or 3 times more and give you a proper review in some of the other vlogs. So yeah, that is that. So yeah, I'll be using it 2 or 3 times more and see if it is worth the hype, because I have heard a lot of things about it. and I don't really like it as of now that much. I'm 50-50 about it. I won't say that I don't like it at all, but yeah, let's see, use it 2 or 3 more times and I'll give you a proper review. Then the next product, so this is the foaming face wash, and I've used this also, and I am again 50-50 about it. I do not see a massive difference in my skin, which of course I'll not see in first go, so I'll have to use it 2 or 3 times more and then I can give you guys a review. But from the first impression, I would say it is an okay product. There is nothing to be hyped about, because I like don't see it. It works the same as the Clean and Clear face wash. If you guys have used that, personally I like the Clean and Clear mode because I have been using it since a long time. But yeah, it is an okay product. If you want to go for it, you can definitely go for it. And that was it about the review. I'll use it 2 or 3 times more, both of this product, and give you guys a proper review if it removes my acne, spots and all of that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But that is it for this. And right now I got a little ready sort of, so I'll show you my outfit. Hi guys, so this is my outfit. So I'm wearing this pajama which I showed you in one of my shopping with me vlogs. I think I'll link it down below. If you haven't checked that, please go ahead and check that out. It's a really cute pajama which has fruits all over it. There is bananas, watermelon, a lot of that things. I got it from Big Bazaar, so if I find it online I will link it for you guys. This sweatshirt, it's from Max. We got this like a year ago, I would like to say, and it's really cute. It has sequins all over it, and it says influencer over here, which is good. I'm not an influencer, but still I like this, so I got it for myself. And it is actually my sister's, but I stole it and wore it, so that is that. And then I'm wearing this neck piece, if you guys can see. Let me just fix it. Yeah, this is the neck piece which I got from Londhe or Londhe.in. I also made a vlog on that. If you haven't checked that out, again I'll link it and you guys can see that. It's a pretty fun video. So I'm still wearing this. Can you guys believe it? And it is working so fine. The chain is also gold. So yeah, thumbs up for this. I really like this. So I'm wearing this. It's an evil eye, by the way, if you guys couldn't tell already. It's an evil eye, but in the form of an elephant. So that is that. And then for the earrings, I'm wearing this Huggies ear huggies, and these are from Amazon. It is a pair of 8, and I'm wearing this. Again, I have created a video on this earring and on the necklace, so if you guys haven't checked that out, please go ahead and check that out. But let me just switch on to my front camera and then I'll talk to you guys. So guys, I wanted to talk about a thing. So as you guys know that Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi is coming soon, and I have no brothers. Like I have cousin brothers, but they stay far away and we don't even meet each other because all of them are busy in their work. So yeah, that is that. But my sister is there and she is no less than a brother to me. She does all the things. So yeah, I was saying that she's no less than a brother to me. She fulfills all of my wishes and she does everything for the family and not for herself. She not even thinks for herself for once. Sorry for the noise, my father is speaking, so I can't help it. They will speak, so sorry for that. But I was saying that she does everything for the family and she doesn't even think about herself once. So yeah, I wanted to create a card for her and make her feel really special for that day. But right now she's in the other room, and that is the reason why I'm speaking so like slow, low, whatever you want to say. And so yeah, I'll let her go to the work and then I'll create a card for her and I'll show you guys. But right now I'll show you what all is prepared in lunch, and basically have my lunch and then show you guys what I'm thinking to prepare. And I'm also thinking to gift her something, but I'm not sure what to gift, but we will see about that also. So let's go and show you guys what is prepared for lunch. Hey you guys, so I had my lunch and I kind of slept, and sorry I'm talking so much in this vlog, but yeah. But after having my lunch, I I like took a nap. I was scrolling through my phone and then I took a nap for like 10-20 minutes. And now I'm going out for like buying some Rakhis for Raksha Bandhan and also to purchase some fruits and all of that. Basically to run some errands. So I'm going out and I thought I'll take you guys along with me. So yeah, and I'm just wearing this. I thought of wearing a kurti today. So I'm wearing this kurti, floral kurti. This is from Westside by the company Utsa or something like that. I'll mention it in the screen so you guys can see. And I'm wearing a stocking and I'm wearing the same necklace from Londhe or Londhe.in that I was wearing in the afternoon, and I'm wearing the same earrings as well. You can see these are from Amazon. So yeah, let's just go out now. And I did this very simple, like basically a no makeup look. and just took me 5 to 10 minutes, not even 10, I guess 5 minutes, and I was done. So yeah, we're looking good, and now let's go. Hi guys, so I just came back home and look at my hairs. Like, what is this? But okay, we'll manage with it because there is nothing much to do. So I just came back home, like I just returned home because I had to go with my sister to exchange one item because it was the wrong item and all of that jhamela. So we'll keep that aside. But right now I wanted to give you guys a sort of a snacks haul because me and my sister got a few snacks. So I thought, why not film a haul, because I enjoy making hauls and I hope you love seeing hauls because I do. So I thought I'll give you a little snacks haul, and also 2 आइटम रह गए थे हॉट पिंक सेल से जो मैं आपको दिखाना टोटली भूल चुकी थी, बट आज मैं वो भी दिखा दूँगी बिकॉज वाई नॉट. सो आई क्विकली गिव यू गाइस द स्नैक्स haul और फिर मैं क्या honking करते हैं ना. Okay, so the first item that we got over here is my personal favorite. This is banana chips, 100 grams, और ये मुझे पड़ा 50 रुपीज़ का. एंड दिस इज़ सो क्रंची, सो गुड, रियली लाइक देम एंड दे आर रियली crispy and good. So yeah, I got 2 chips which is the Lay's वेस्ट इंडीज़ हॉट एंड स्वीट चिली. एंड ये मैं तो इसको ऑरेंज वाला लेस बोलती हूँ. दिस इज़ फॉर 10 रुपीज़ ईच. सो हाँ, ये भी ले आई क्योंकि बस देखा तो मन कर गया तो ले आई और क्या ही करती. सो द थर्ड आइटम इज़ दिस. ये है बर्स्ट. दिस इज़ लाइक अ सॉर्ट ऑफ डेजर्ट चिप्स. लाइक इसके अंदर पूरा चॉकलेट का, वो बचपन में हम लोग चॉकलेट का चिप्स नहीं खाते थे छोटा छोटा, वही है ये एग्जैक्टली. और इससे मुझे खा के मुझे बहुत नॉस्टैल्जिया आता है. सो वी गॉट दिस इज़ 5 रुपये करके ईच, सो 5 रुपीज़ ईच. आई गॉट 1 2 3 4 ऑफ दिस. सो दैट इज़ दैट. आइटम कुछ ऐसा आइटम है जिसके बारे में मैं बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ, एंड आई गॉट दिस अगेन. सो दिस इज़ दिस रामेन विच इज़ करंट नूडल्स. और ये जो वो 125 वाला रामेन जो आता है, जो आपको अमेजोन पे भी मिल जाएगा, उसका एग्जैक्ट स्मॉल वर्जन है. दिस इज़ फॉर 50 रुपीज़. इसका भी छोटा आता है विच इज़ फॉर 20 रुपीज़, बट एग्जैक्ट सेम टेस्ट करता है. एंड आई डोंट नो उसका टेस्ट तो कैसा है, बट ये बिल्कुल बहुत स्पाइसी है. सो आई मिक्स इट विद yippee और मैगी, फिर उसके साथ खाती हूँ बिकॉज इतना स्पाइस टॉलरेंस तो सॉरी मेरे में है नहीं. इसके साथ मैंने और भी एक वेरिएंट ट्राई करा है 2 दिन पहले, एंड दैट वाज आई गेस फायरी नूडल्स. मैं पिक्चर इंसर्ट कर दूंगी यहाँ पर ताकि आप लोग देख लो. एंड दैट वाज फॉर 10 रुपये ईच. 10 रुपये ईच का था, मतलब 10 रुपीज़ ईच. एंड दैट डिड नॉट इवन टेस्ट लाइक इट. लाइक वो स्पाइसी था बट बहुत ही थोड़ा स्पाइसी था इसके मुकाबले. सो उसका स्पाइस बहुत कम था, एंड आई रियली लाइक हाउ स्पाइसी इट इज़. सो या मैं पिक्चर इंसर्ट कर दूँगी तो आप लोग देख लो. एंड द लास्ट आइटम इज़ दिस. सो एक मिनट. सो दिस इज़ द विंग्रीन्स का विंग्रीन्स का नान चिप्स, एंड दिस इज़ इन द फ्लेवर बटर गार्लिक. गाइज आई किड यू नॉट, आई लाइक किड यू नॉट, सीरियसली ये इतना अच्छा है, इतना अच्छा है. आई कैनॉट, लाइक बहुत सुंदर है. इफ़ यू हैव हैड बटर गार्लिक नान कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट में, ये उसका एग्जैक्ट वर्जन है इन चिप्स. एंड आई थॉट ऑफ ट्राइंग दिस, एंड आई ट्राई टू ट्राई दिस इन कैमरा, या फिर मैं क्लिप को ही अटैच कर दूँगी, या फिर मैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में रिव्यू दे दूँगी. तो दिस इज़ सो गुड. प्लीज़ गाइज, अगर आपको कोई भी दिखे, परचेज इट एंड हैव इट वंस. आई एम श्योर आप लोगों को बिल्कुल बटर गार्लिक नान का फ्लेवर आएगा चिप्स के वर्जन में. एंड आई रियली लव दिस. आई परचेज दिस. सो गाइस, सो जो लास्ट 2 आइटम्स है, मैंने कहा था कि मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी जो हॉट पिंक सेल से 2 आइटम्स मैंने मिस कर दिए थे. लाइक आई टोटली फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट, और मुझे याद भी नहीं कि हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस, बट आई डिड. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. सो द फर्स्ट आइटम इज़ दिस. दिस इज़ द निविया का लिप बाम. इट्स इन द वेरियंट और फ्लेवर और शेड चेरी शाइन. एंड दिस रिटेल्स फॉर, मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है, दिस ओरिजिनली रिटेल्स फॉर आई गेस 185, और डिस्काउंट में मुझे कितना मिला था सब मैं स्क्रीन पे कहीं ना कहीं मेंशन कर दूँगी, तो सी दैट. एंड यस, इट इज़ इन द फ्लेवर चेरी शाइन. कुछ ऐसा दिखता है ये. ऐसे कलर में. एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. पर्सनली यूज दिस इज़ द निविया चेरी शाइन लिप बाम एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. सो आई बॉट दिस फॉर माई सेल्फ. And the next item is this. Okay guys, so let me firstly tell you that this item is a free product. I've got this with all of the purchases that I have made. So this is a free item and I have not purchased it with my own money. मैंने ये अपने पैसों से नहीं खरीदा, ये मुझे फ्री में मिला था. But can we really appreciate MCaffeine का पैकेजिंग? लाइक हाउ सुंदर इज़ दिस पोटली. येस, आई कॉल इट पोटली. मुझे नहीं पता इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, बट आई पर्सनली कॉल इट पोटली. ऐसे पोटली बैग अभी बहुत चले हुए थे. जब मुझे ये मिला ना गाइज, आई वाज लाइक भाड़ में जो इसके अंदर का प्रोडक्ट, आई नीड टू कीप दिस. आई रियली नीड टू कीप दिस बिकॉज आई रियली लव एम. सो या ओके, सो मैं आपको प्रोडक्ट दिखा देती हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो ये पोटली मैं रखने ही वाली हूँ. इट्स सो गुड. सो I really love the packaging, the potli. And the first thing over here is the MCaffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp and Hair Oil. Basically this is a hair oil जो आप अपने hair में डालकर रात को सो सकते हो. And I have no idea about its price क्योंकि मैंने ये नहीं खरीदा. So I don't know the price. अगर मुझे कहीं इसका full version या mini version का pic मिलेगा तो मैं डाल दूँगी यहाँ पर. So you can see that, but I have no idea इसका price कितना है. And let me just sniff it. Okay, it's like ब्लैक कॉफ़ी. अगर आपने कभी ब्लैक कॉफ़ी खाया है या फिर ब्लैक कॉफ़ी आपने कभी सूंघा है, इट्स एग्जैक्टली ब्लैक कॉफ़ी का अरोमा. इट्स एग्जैक्टली ब्लैक कॉफ़ी का सेंट. एंड मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया है, सो आई डोंट नो हाउ गुड इट विल बी और हाउ बैड इट विल बी, बट आई गेस इट विल बी अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. The second product is this is the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Shampoo. So हेयर ऑयल के साथ शैम्पू भी दे दिया है ताकि रात को हेयर ऑयल डाल के आप सो सको और सुबह उठ के इससे शैम्पू कर लो अपना हेयर. एंड लेट मी स्निफ इट एज वेल. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ द MCaffeine प्रोडक्ट क्योंकि सब MCaffeine प्रोडक्ट्स में ना कॉफ़ी का स्मेल आ रहा था. एंड इसमें स्ट्रेट अप लाइक शैम्पू का स्मेल आ रहा है. नाइस फ्लोरल सेंट एंड आई रियली लाइक दैट अबाउट इट. क्योंकि कॉफ़ी सूंघ के ना गाइज मैं तो तंग आ चुकी थी. लाइक कॉफ़ी ठीक है यार, कॉफ़ी का आइटम है, लेकिन इतना कॉफ़ी मेरा सर दर्द करने लग गया था कॉफ़ी का स्मेल से. बट दिस इज़ द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट विच स्मेल्स एब्सोल्युटली डिवाइन. सो आई गेस इट विल वर्क डिवाइन एज वेल. एंड प्राइजेज अगेन मुझे नहीं पता. सो आई गॉट दिस एज द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट. फ्री का आइटम है ऑफकोर्स. ओके, एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज़ वेरी क्यूट. इट इज़ दिस MCaffeine नेकेड एंड रॉ कॉफ़ी स्कैल्प स्क्रब. सो ये बेसिकली स्क्रब है आपके हेड के लिए. इट्स फॉर स्क्रबिंग योर हेड ऑल ओवर. एंड मैंने अभी तक इसको बिल्कुल भी ट्राई नहीं किया है या खोला भी नहीं है. सो आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस एज सच, बट आई गेस इट विल वर्क गुड. और ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है, मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ, एक मिनट. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. एंड अगेन इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉफ़ी का स्मेल. बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. गिव्स मी हेडेक. कॉफ़ी का स्मेल एज इट इज़ गिव्स मी हेडेक. बट दिस इज़ सो क्यूट. लाइक इतना क्यूट इसका जार ही है. I would give my money to them just for the jar, but this is all I got as a free product. And yeah, with that we come to the end of our haul, I guess. Yes, with that we come to the end of our haul. और अब मैं आपको मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट क्लिप में जब मैं कुछ कर रही होंगी तो. Hi you guys, what's up? Okay, very bad angle, very bad hair too. But I just wanted to come in here and tell you guys that I am dead tired right now. Like I'm done with the day today. But I just wanted to tell you guys that I sort of created a Raksha Bandhan card for my sister itself. And actually I wanted to do it in front of the camera, but I just did it and then I remembered, bro, you didn't vlog. And I was like, okay, I'm sorry about that. But this is what the card looks like. I guess that the time when you will be seeing the video Raksha Bandhan, I will be filming the Raksha Bandhan vlog itself. So yeah, you will not be able to see it, but this is the card. It is a hand. Sorry for the very bad drawing. So if any artist is seeing my video, I'm really sorry for that. But this is the card. I have written something for her inside, so I'm not going to show you guys. So yeah, that is that. And then the picture the page is blank, so I'll probably draw something over here too. And I've just created borders and all of that. And this is created by a chart paper. मतलब ये मैंने चार्ट पेपर के ऊपर बनाया जो कि हमारे घर में पड़ा हुआ था. बिकॉज आई डेंट वॉन्ट टू बाई अ चार्ट पेपर व्हेन आई ऑलरेडी हैव चार्ट पेपर इन माई हाउस. So I was like, I'll create it with, I'll recycle the chart paper, purana chart paper. So yeah, that is that. And now I'm going to write down or plan down my videos. So I actually, my sister got me this diary from her workplace, and this is a very helpful diary. It has a lot of pages, as you can see, and this is where I write my videos. I have all my videos written over here, so I'm not going to flip that page, but she got me this diary from her workplace, and it helps me a lot. I write down my plans over here so that I can film videos for you guys. And I know that a lot of people don't see my video, maybe just 2 to 3 people see it, but you guys still mean a lot for me. Like those 3 people, 4 people, 2 people mean a lot for me, and that is just overwhelming for me. Even if 2 people see my videos, that is a lot for me. So yeah, I just want you guys to see my video more and help me, support me to grow. That would mean a lot for me, because I've always wanted to be independent, and I'm just like, I know I'm studying, but I still want to be independent and not be a burden on anybody. And just generally I want to be independent, because who doesn't want to be independent? And I like talking to the camera. I like talking to the camera more than talking to people, is why I create videos. And yeah, if you like my work, then please support me. It will help me a lot from all of the ways. And yeah, I just wanted to say that. So she got me this diary, and then I also bought this very pretty notebook sort of, and it also has a lot of pages over here. And here I write down my to-do list. So that is what I'm going to do. I will write the to-do list for tomorrow, because a lot of stuff I still need to do. I need to film a video tomorrow, and also I need to edit this, and I had to do one more thing. Yes, I had to film reels. So yeah, I'll mention my Instagram, so follow me there. I'll mention it in the description box, so follow me there. And yeah, I'll write my to-do list. This was my to-do list for today. I'm sure you guys can't see that, and hope you don't see that, but yeah, that is that. So I'll plan my videos, and then I'll move my makeup and eat my dinner and go to sleep. So I'll meet you guys once I have my dinner. And I'm sorry for this dead face, but like, okay, I'm very tired. So guys, with that, I just wanted to come in here and end this video right over here, because my kajal is spread all over and my face looks really bad right now. So I just wanted to end this video, and that is basically a day in my life. Unexpected things happen. Like I said, I'll not go for grocery or any kind of shopping, but I did go for grocery and any kind of shopping. Even if it's snack shopping, even if it's running errands, I did go out. So yeah, that is how my life goes. Unexpected things happen, and yeah, this is everything that I do. So if you guys want to see my daily routine of what I do, then please comment down below. I'll also be very excited to film that video. And that is basically it. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now I'll just go clean my face and go to sleep, because I'm really tired. So bye you guys, love you, see you in the next video, bye.